When you receive your rope float, you may need to adjust it for your size pool. When doing so, you'll want a few tools on hand: measuring tape, pair of scissors, a razor knife, a lighter, and of course the rope tool. When doing so, after you've measured it, you may want to use a piece of tape to show where you're going to be cutting it to and fixing the rope to your adjusted size. You're going to cut the rope and then using the lighter, you're going to heat it up on the end of the tip of the rope so that it will stop from fraying. Using that piece, you're also going to take the eyelet that you left behind, cut it off, and re-put it onto the rope. When ready, with the cut end and the anchor on the rope, you will now use the tool to open the weave of the rope itself. This will allow you then to take the opposite end and shove it down the weave. Once you pull on the weave or pull on the rope, that will be a fixed position for the rope that you have now created for your size pool. Tension is what keeps the rope in place.